What's up YouTube? I have my YT capper right here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install bottomless tokens in a Rockshox ZEB fork. Alright guys, before we really get into this video, this is a tool that you're going to need to access the front fork, and I'm going to show you a different way, but this is the easiest. If you don't have this tool, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video to Amazon where you can go purchase one. They're pretty cheap. Alright guys, the first thing you want to do is remove your cap here to access your air valve. Once you have that off, you're going to want to use a small screwdriver or something like that and release all the air from the fork. Alright, once you have your air cap off and your air bled out of your fork, you're going to want to take your Rockshox fork tool and a ratchet, put them together like this, and then we're going to take this out. So as you can see, the tool's going to fit in here, and you have these small little grooves. Line your grooves up with the top of your cap. And then you're going to loosen it. And once you got it loose enough, you can go ahead and use your hand, back it out the rest of the way, and then you can pull this out. So as you can see, there's your bottomless tokens, and then you have a hollow fork tube there. Okay, once you're to this point, you're going to go ahead and add as many tokens as you want. I was happy with 3. I just took this off to show y'all, but you're going to want to start, hand thread it, make sure it's not cross threaded. Go ahead and tighten it down, and then this last one you put on needs to be torqued to 35 inch-pounds, not foot-pounds, inch-pounds. So we're going to go ahead and grab our torque wrench, and you have a Allen head here on the inside, and we have this set on 35 inch-pounds, so we're going to torque it down till we hear a click. All right, we heard a click, and then there's your tokens. And what I like to do is take a little bit of grease that gets on these tokens, rub it on the threads just so you have a little bit of lubricant going on the threads. You can drop this back in. Go ahead and get it started. Again, make sure you're not cross threading. Now you're going to take your torque wrench again, and you're going to have your Rockshox fork tool on here. You're going to torque this cap to 65 inch-pounds. Again, inch-pounds, not foot-pounds. Pounds, not foot-pounds. All right, 65 inch-pounds. Then once you have that, go ahead and take your fork pump, air your fork back up to the desired pressure. Once you get to your desired pressure, I like to take the pump off and cycle through the stroke of the forks a few times. This means just pushing down on the forks, letting them compress. And then check your pressure again. And there we are, we're at 70 PSI, that's where we wanted to be. For those of you saying, well, he said he was going to show me how to do it without the tool. So then the last step is I am going to show you. I do not recommend this way, but in a pinch, if you just have to do it, this is what